Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your LinkedIn password on a PC. Whether you're updating it for security reasons or just want a fresh start, follow along, and you'll have it done in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website, linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or the word Me. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Under this section, locate the option labeled Change Password and click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to fill out 3 fields. First, enter your current password in the designated box. Then, type your new password in the second field. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Finally, confirm your new password by typing it again in the third field. Before proceeding, you'll see an option to require all devices to sign in with the new password. If you want to log out from all other devices for added security, check this box. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on Save Password, and that's it. Your LinkedIn password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you've ensured your account remains secure and up to date. Don't forget to keep your new password safe and avoid sharing it with anyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance.